This video will focus on fieldwork in the context of geography. We will cover the definition of fieldwork, its various types, procedures, potential problems, and its importance. Fieldwork is the study of geography that applies practical techniques, using the environment as the laboratory and source of information. It is also known as practical geography. The types of fieldwork include field excursion, field research, and field study, also called field teaching. A field excursion is a sightseeing outing for relaxation, requiring no objectives or data collection. Field research is a problem-solving activity conducted by experts, involving hypothesis formulation. Field study, or field teaching, involves collecting and analyzing data in the field to achieve set objectives. It is based on a specific theme, and objectives are clearly stated. Fieldwork procedure is a series of activities including identifying the topic, stating objectives, formulating a hypothesis, preparation, carrying out the study, and follow-up activities. Identifying the topic is choosing the title or problem, often from class studies. Stating objectives means defining the aims or purpose of the field study. Good objectives must be relevant, short, clear, start with to, be achievable, specific, and measurable. Useful terms include to find out and to identify. For a study on a weather station, objectives could include identifying instruments, establishing the location, finding influencing factors, and determining the importance to the community. A hypothesis is an unproven assumption or anticipated outcome. It can be stated as an answer, a question, a relationship, or in positive, substantive, or negative null form. A good hypothesis should not be too obvious. Use measurable quantitative words, include comparison, allow for a yes or no answer, and relate to the study's objectives. Examples of hypotheses include positive, negative, and interrogative statements regarding a topic, such as soil erosion due to vegetation clearance. Preparation for the field study includes seeking permission, carrying out a pre-visit, holding discussions, and identifying methods for data collection and recording. Further preparation steps involve assembling tools, gathering information through literature, preparing a working schedule, dividing the class into groups, and arranging transport. Carrying out the actual field study requires ensuring an appropriate date and time. You should arrange transport and have the necessary time schedule and tools ready. Follow-up activities are undertaken after the field study. These include comparing notes, analyzing reports, deciding on data presentation methods, compiling reports, and testing collected samples. Reasons for a pre-visit include familiarizing with the area, identifying respondents, determining suitable data collection methods, checking accessibility, and identifying potential challenges. The pre-visit also helps estimate costs, design a working schedule, identify appropriate tools, and establish suitable routes for the study. Preparing a working schedule helps manage time, ensures all activities are completed, keeps the researcher on topic, estimates time needed, and allows for fieldwork process evaluation. Potential problems during fieldwork include language barriers, adverse weather, inadequate time, illiterate or uncooperative respondents, wild animal attacks, and noise. Suggested solutions to these problems include using an interpreter, carrying protective gear like raincoats, meeting respondents beforehand, ensuring adequate funds, and being accompanied by security personnel. There are no text contents in this scene. Learning geography through fieldwork offers many benefits. Students gain first-hand information and apply classroom theory.